Bitcoin's going to a $7 trillion market cap. That means it's a $500,000 Bitcoin, says one analyst. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here on this Monday morning, early in Dubai. But you know what? I hear there's going to be an eclipse today in the United States. That's going to be a total eclipse that happens every 20 years. And yeah, Americans are going to be enjoying that. If you're in that little belt, little tiny strip area, that you will see a full eclipse, lunar eclipse, where the whole place goes dark. That will be a very interesting event, but not as big as the event that when the US dollar collapses and Bitcoin takes over as money. That will be an eclipse of epic proportion. But meanwhile, we're waiting for Bitcoin to eclipse gold, right? Which is not an epic proportion thing. It's like Bitcoin eclipsing gold, just a matter of a short amount of time. So yeah, we're going to be seeing that, and it's going to be an entertaining event. We're going to see all the gold bugs wondering, how did we miss that? Simple. You didn't understand that gold is old money and Bitcoin is new money. New money that actually works better than gold because it's fixed in supply. Whilst you can get more gold, you can't get more Bitcoin. There's only going to be 21 million of them. And that's that. Whew, with that said, oh man, I got some news for you guys. We're going to be talking about the Bank of International Settlements and also Base Chain and a few other things. And then we're going to go into talking about what's going on with the price action. Is Bitcoin going to break out? When? And if trade it, you should trade it at bybit.davincij15.com or 2bit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. All right, let's start off with this. The announcement announces a project, Agora, central bank bet on tokenization for cross-border settlements. Okay, I could tell you that this is BS, right? I could 100%, because we did have cross-border settlements that were rapid before, okay? We did, okay? You could write a check normally back before 2000 to around 2001 or something like that. You could write a check in any country and deposit it to any country, and it would settle. Now you can't do that. So the BIS stopped that. So why are you trying to make rapid transactions, rapid payments all of a sudden? This is BS. This is just talk, right? Talking up the market. They don't want that. Why do they not want that? Well, quite simply, they will lose control. If you're able to move your money and control your money fast and move things around, you're going to realize, wait a second here, I need to move this over here really fast. And that would be bad, because that will destroy their money really fast. They need to control how fast money moves so that you don't do something with your money to protect yourself. So keep that in mind. So this is not happening. This is just, yeah. We're going to do that. We're going to do it. Not BS. Yeah, they're exploring it. They're looking at it. Looking at, not saying no. All right. Base hits a 4 billion TVL as monthly transactions outstrip Ethereum and Arbitrum. Oof, really? Damn. Well, crypto exchanges Coinbase's Ethereum second layer blockchain base has seen its total value locked surge over 13% in the past week to surpass 4 billion for the first time as its 30-day transaction beat Ethereum and its top rival Arbitrum. Wow. Well, that's because, a lot of meme coins are, showing up on Base because Base is actually working. As you know, we were making fun last night of Solana, which was, sometimes online. It actually was down for quite some time. I'm not even sure if it's back up again, but doubt it. It is SOL when you have a centralized system that pretends to be decentralized. That's what you get. Okay, moving on. Skybridge founder, Bitcoin's happening, not priced in. BTC has a lot more upside. Okay, that's a duh moment. But what this guy is saying down here, if we scroll down, I'm just simply saying it could trade to half of the valuation of gold, which is a 6 to 8, 10 times move from here. Yeah, I know. That's $500,000. People, $500,000. Interesting. Yeah, well, I really think that Bitcoin could do that actually, because, a lot of money can come into the space. The problem is, right, they're all, jockeying for position. They all want to, pull the price down. All these major funds and major people who hold large sums of money, they don't want to pay a high price. So they're going to move the price around, gyrate Bitcoin prices around so that they can get in at a lower valuation. Meantime, the rest of the folks, all right, are withdrawing their Bitcoin. Bitcoin's 111,000 BTC removed from crypto exchanges. What's behind it? Okay. Well, as you can see, right, this Glassnode is showing like a massive drop in exchange holding Bitcoin. They've lost like 8 billion almost, has been moved out of the exchanges into actual personal wallets. So I would suggest you take a page out of these guys' notes here that people are doing that. So if you have a large exposure to exchanges, meaning that you have all your crypto on an exchange, it's time to start to learn how to take it off. Why? Well, because if the smart money is taking off $8 billion, maybe you should take your few $1,000s out. just maybe. They might know something that you don't. Okay. According to crypto analyst Ali, nearly 111,000 Bitcoin, BTC, valued around 8 billion almost, were moved out of known crypto exchange wallets in the last month. This trend highlights a gradual reduction in BTC supply on exchanges in recent months, implying an exodus from cryptocurrency exchanges. Oof. Yeah, I really think that this withdrawal is coming from people realizing, hey, you know what? I should protect my assets and not have some third party holding it. And that's a smart thing to do. Withdrawal of such a large amount of Bitcoin from exchanges might potentially cause a supply crunch, in which demand for BTC surpasses the available supply. This scenario might pave the way for a bullish rally. Yep. And 220,000 BTC was added to whale balances. So on the blockchain analysis firm Into the Block reports that Bitcoin ETFs have amassed more than 4% of the BTC supply in less than 3 months. The amount of Bitcoin held by addresses with 1,000 Bitcoin or more, called whales, have surged dramatically since the ETF inception, with the aggregated balance of whales addresses hitting its highest point since June 2022. Wow. That's crazy. All right, let's take a look at what the whales are going to do with the price action now. Starting with Bitcoin here, you can see Bitcoin is set to make a decision. It's go time. Let's take a look at the Bollinger Bands on a daily. Yeah, it's go time. We are still bullish here. On the daily, we are above the 13 EMA and above the EMA ribbons. So that means that Bitcoin has potential to break higher. if we break higher, right? So we have to break above the 71,500, and if we break lower, we're breaking down below the 64,000. If we do, right, break higher, we're headed. Let's see here. Let's take a look at what this is going. Possible, right? So let's just take it to this level here and do an AB equals CD, and we're talking, 100K. Right. And if we don't do that, right, we're breaking back down to like at least the 52, but most likely the 47-ish area right around here. So hopefully that's not the case. If we break down, that's where we're probably headed. So 52 is the first bounce area, but we can go as low as the 47-ish area down here. So yeah, just letting you guys know. Moving on, Ethereum has its battle lines drawn, breakout above the approximately the 3,700 means higher highs and off to the races. Let's take a look at where I think it's only another $1,000 or something like that. But hey, yeah, that's $1,000 is $1,000. But let's take a look. So approximately, if we do an AB equals CD kind of deal happening as well with Bitcoin. Yeah, we're talking like the $5,000 range and a new all-time high for Ethereum, which wouldn't surprise me. It is the crypto season for the institutional players and people the general public who are just playing in the stock market. They are now realizing, hey, we should get into this. And they are coming, and they're coming in droves. And I hope you have some Bitcoin and some Ethereum. If you don't, head over to bybit.davincij15.com or 2bit.davincij15.com or even coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below, and you guys can get some Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency and start, participating in the financial revolution of the century. This will change the world as we know it over time. And we are going to never look back at fiat currency ever again as, well, fiat currency is just a form of slavery, the new modernized slavery. If someone can print money and make you work for it, that makes you a slave. That's the way it works. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.